storing and managing data with Python collections. Today, Maya and Momo are exploring Python collections, special containers that help us store and organize data, just like toolboxes or storage boxes in real life. Each collection has its own purpose. Let's get to know about them one by one. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. Just like a real dictionary, you look up a word and find its meaning. In Python, keys must be unique, and values can be anything. You can update, add, or remove items from dictionaries. For example, a bookstore inventory system can track titles, authors, and quantities. Tuples are like sealed packages. Once created, they cannot be changed. They are perfect for storing constant data, like coordinates that should stay the same. You can unpack tuple values or join them, but you can't modify them. Tuples are faster than lists and can even be used as dictionary keys. Sets are collections of unique items, with no order. They are great for removing duplicates or finding common elements. With sets, you can add, remove, or perform operations like union and intersection. For example, finding common interests between friends. Arrays are designed for storing large amounts of data of the same type, like daily temperatures. They use less memory and are faster for calculations than lists. Use arrays for numbers and big datasets. Use lists when you need flexibility with different data types. So remember, Python collections are like special containers. Dictionaries, tuples, sets, and arrays each have unique strengths. Choosing the right one helps you write faster, cleaner, and more powerful programs.